watching this, your brain probably feels like a browser with 50 different tabs open. You know you need to get organized, but you're too overwhelmed to even start making that list. Hey, I'm Tamberly, your life design strategist. Welcome to DWJ AI Design Lab. We don't just hope for a better life, right? We build the systems to run it. And today, I'm going to show you my brain dump protocol. I'm going to take my messy brain dump, my chaotic rant, and feed it into AI. And we're going to see it turn it into a project in less than 30 seconds. Okay? So we are here in ChatGPT. You can use any AI platform that you feel comfortable using. It does not have to be ChatGPT. It is just my preference, okay? So what I'm going to do is copy and paste the prompt in. Now you know over here in the lab we do not do generic vague prompts. We always assign our prompts a role, a task, and a constraint, right? So to read you this back, this is the project manager protocol, okay? The project manager prompt. Act as a compassionate but efficient project manager. I am going to paste a stream of conscious consciousness brain dumps of everything stressing me out. Your goal is to process the data and output a sanity protocol. The rules: group items into urgent, important, and noise. Give me a checklist of the top 3 actions I can take in the next hour to lower my cortisol and direct, calm. I want the tone to be direct, calm, and systematic. And it says, here is your brain dump. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this part here where it says paste your rant here. And I'm gonna click on the dictate button, this microphone here at the bottom right. I'm gonna dictate what I want my brain dump. Instead of typing it, I'm gonna just speak it into the AI and it's gonna record it, okay? All right, so here is my brain dump. I have 3 loads of laundry that needs washing and drying. They are stacking up by the mountains. I need to plan the meals, dinner meals for next week, and I need to go grocery shopping. I don't know when I'm gonna find time to grocery shop because I am working on a work project that is due on Monday morning. I need to return some clothes to Burlington Coat Factory this weekend. I need to go visit my aunt this weekend. She is under the weather. I need to go run to Office Max to pick up a few office supplies such as paper, pens, staples, and ink. Really need the ink. Um, I need to clear my dining room table because as I'm looking at it right now, it is cluttered and it is driving me insane. My car needs washing, but I'm not sure if I'll have time to get that done this weekend. It's hair washing day on Sunday, so I gotta wash my hair. I need to also email a coworker who emailed me late Friday night that I need to respond to before Monday, and I need to finish working on my SOP vote for my DWJ membership. All right, so as you can see, I have dumped my brain dump inside of ChatGPT, and I'm gonna send it on through. And let's see what we get in about 30 seconds. All right, here we go. Let me zoom in for you. All right, Tamala, I've got you. Let's bring order to the noise. Here is your sanity protocol. All right, category 1 is urgent. Must do today. So it lists out the things I must do today. Work project due Monday morning. Email coworker who emailed me Friday night. Clean dining room table. Laundry. At least start the first load. The DWJ SOP draft. Vote draft. All right, and then the important stuff is meal planning for the next week, grocery shopping, return the clothes, visit aunt, office max, hair wash day, and wash the car. What's noise? Noise is the car wash. It says urgency, pressure, um, perfection around meal planning time. I must do everything this weekend narrative. Those are not urgent, not identity defining. All right, and then it goes into 1 hour cortisol reduction plan. So, here, my next 60 minutes, here's my checklist. I'm gonna reset my environment for 15 minutes. That means I'm gonna clear the dining room table, nothing else. Give yourself a brain visual relief. Then for 10 minutes, I'm gonna start motion. Put the first load of laundry in. Do not fold, just start the cycle. Then I'm gonna reduce mental debt 20 minutes. I'm gonna send the coworker an email, which is just simple, professional, and done. And then I'm going to ground your priority, 15 minutes. I'm going to open up the DWJ SOP vault and work on that. Write bullet points only, no polishing. Stop when the timer ends. You will already feel lighter. And then it gives me system truths. You are not overwhelmed because you are failing. You are overwhelmed because you are carrying. Work deadlines, household management, emotional obligations, business leadership, and invisible planning labor. At the same time, your brain is doing project management without a dashboard. Now you have one. And then it says here the weekend framing. Not a to do list, a flow. Saturday, returns, office max, grocery runs. Sunday, hair, aunt visit, and meal planning. Car wash is optional. Then we have your only focus right now. You do not have to solve everything. Your only job in this next hour is reduce visual clutter, start motion, and choose one mental loop. That is success. And then it also goes in if you want one after you complete 1 hour block, tell me what you got done, what still feels heavy, and then we can build a clean weekend flow with zero overwhelm. So how do you like that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna go into my Google Keep and I'm gonna make it a note. I'm gonna paste it there so that way I can have access to this when as I do things. I won't have to keep running back to ChatGPT. I can easily just pull this up on my phone and have access to it. And there you have it. That is my sanity protocol for this weekend on how I can get things done and feel like I've accomplished things. All right, so that is the project manager prompt and the sanity protocol that it produced. So I want you to stop carrying it all in your head. Use this prompt to get it out of your head and into a system, okay? The main thing is to define it, design it, and live it. And I will see you in the next lab, okay? Okay, so you just watched me use ChatGPT to help me do a brain dump and put it in some kind of structure, right? We use the project manager prompt that I created. It was assigned a role, a task, and constraints. And that prompt, I dictated my brain dump. I got everything out of my head and into ChatGPT, right? And that prompt took my brain dump and put it in urgency, important, or I can delegate it, right? Or delete it. Um, so that built my sanity protocol that I can use this weekend to help me stay organized, on task, and feel like I've got things done. If you want the prompt, it's going to be pasted down below, but I also have a SOP vault that I have created. And as I build these SOPs with you, I'm gonna put the vault. I'm gonna put the prompts inside that vault, and you can get it for free. The link for it will be down below in the description. Grab it so that you won't have to keep coming back to the video to get it, but it will be in that vault. Okay. All right. So I will see you all on the next design lab. Until then, define it, design it, and live it.
Remember, we don't just consume content here at the lab, we build systems. If you found value in this protocol, do me a favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm knows that life designers are here. And if you are ready to turn your chaos into clarity, check the description box below for the tools and templates we talked about today. I'm Tamberly, your life design strategist. Until next time, define it, design it, live it.